Good morning. Today we're going to be looking at another in our series of private dashboards. Hopefully this video will help you utilize that dashboard more efficiently. Okay, today we're going to be looking at another one of our private dashboards. You've seen me do this before. We're going to go to our website, WTAMU.edu/IE. Do that, you'll see our dashboards navigation over here on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and click on dashboards. All of our private dashboards are at the bottom of the page. Today we're going to be looking at the graduation dashboard. When I click on that, since I've already logged into the Tableau server, it's not going to ask me for my network credentials, but if you haven't logged into the Tableau server, it will ask you to log in. This is our graduation dashboard. Goes back over 10 years. Here's all the academic years that we have included in this dashboard. You can see that the color coding over here tells you what are our bachelor's degrees, what are our doctoral degrees, and what our number of master's degree graduates have been over the past 10 years. You can change the filters. This time the filters are at the top of the page. Sometimes they're over on the right-hand side, but today they're at the top. And if I wanted to change these overall numbers and just look at a particular gender like female, I could click and look at the number of female graduates over that time period. I can also mix and match those with some of the other filters if I want to find out how many female graduates we've had in say, engineering. I can go ahead and click on engineering and females, and it will pull up those specific numbers. If I want to go in even further and say, I want to look at all of the female Asian students from engineering, I can change that as well. So you can use multiple filters to get the exact look of what you want to see for these this particular dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and change these back to their original setting so that all of the students are shown. You'll see up here also that we have them broken out by college if you want to look at a particular college. It's not really a college, but all of our students that are seeking a degree from multiple disciplines, those are not included by default. I can go ahead and change those, and you can see that does change the number some. But if you wanted to go in and look at a particular college like A&S, you can do that within it, and if you wanted to say A&S and Lee's and look at just those graduates, you can. You have to be careful in this situation, because if you pick a department outside of A&S, like education, the graph's not going to be very interesting because we don't have any education students. We do have education students in A&S, some that are seeking certification, but that's the problem with that filter combination. So I'm going to go ahead and select all again and show those. Now this is not the only graduation dashboard that we have. This one, because of the student level information, you can see when we went in and changed these filters that it changed it on the fly, and that's looking at individual student records. That's the power of this dashboard. But we do have another graduation dashboard that is on our public server. I'm going to go ahead and close this tab. That takes us back to our website, which we were looking at the dashboards. And there's also a graduates dashboard that has some different ways of looking at things as well. This one has, if you want to look at graduates by degree date, you can look at graduates by degree date. So between the two dashboards, you should have all the information that you need.